How to import reviews from AliExpress to Shopify using Judge.me. So first, go to your Shopify admin dashboard here, then click on apps, and then click on all recommended apps. What you're going to do is click on Shopify App Store. Okay, now let's search for Judge Me. Okay, now what we're going to use here is this one, Judge Me AliExpress Reviews. Click on it, then click on Install. Okay, next click on Install again. Let's just wait for it to load. Okay. Okay, now click on install.judgeme. Oh wait. Click on import. Okay, as you can see, this is my product. Next is go to AliExpress. Now look for the product that you want to get your reviews from. Okay, as for me, I'll get this. Then copy the URL at the top. Okay, as for the number of reviews, you can edit it. So let's say I want only 10. Then just click on import reviews. Okay, import in progress. Click on imported reviews. So you can see this is still loading. Okay. Now after that, as you can see, the reviews are showing here. Okay. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.